The Lord is my shepherd, I will not fear. Your voice is gentle, your presence near. You lead me through pastures green, by quiet waters where peace is seen. You restore my soul, you call my name, forever faithful, forever the same. God, you are with me, I shall not want. In every valley, your light goes on. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. The Lord my shepherd, my soul set free. Even when shadows darken my way, your mercy covers, your love will stay. My cup is full, it overflows. Your house forever will be my home. God, you are with me, I shall not want. In every valley, your light goes on. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. The Lord my shepherd, my soul set free. Goodness follows, mercy flows. Your guiding spirit forever goes. Chains are broken, hope takes flight. Your presence shines in the deepest night. God, you are with me, I shall not want. In every valley, your light goes on. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. The Lord my shepherd, my soul set free. The Lord is my shepherd, I will dwell with you.
I lift my eyes, my help is near. The Lord my keeper, forever here. I lift my eyes to the hills above. My help comes down from the God I love, maker of heaven, earth and sky. You never slumber, you stay by my side. My help comes from the Lord, who watches me, the keeper of my soul. sun will not harm, nor the moon by night. Your hand defends me, your promise is light. You guard my coming, you guard my way. Forever faithful, forever you stay. My help comes from the Lord, who watches me, the keeper of my soul, my victory. Day and night you hold me fast. My help comes from the Lord, steadfast. Mountains tremble, but you remain strong defender through every pain. Chains are broken, hope is restored. Forever my help, forever my Lord. My help comes from the Lord, who watches me, the keeper of my soul, my victory. Day and night you hold me fast. My help comes from the Lord, steadfast. I lift my eye, my help is near. My help comes from the Lord.
Jesus, you are my hiding place. Under your wings I find grace. In the shadow of the Most High I stand, safe and secure, held in your hand. When the night surrounds and fears arise, you are my refuge, my strength, my guide. You are my shelter, my fortress, my king. I will not fear what the darkness brings. Covered in mercy, lifted by peace. In your presence my soul finds release. When the arrows fly Angels surround me through the night. Your fire goes before, your light breaks in. I rest forever in your hand. You are my shelter, my fortress, my king. I will not fear what the darkness brings. Covered in mercy, lifted by peace. In your presence my soul finds relief. Jesus, you